Welcome to the demo video of our Savings Dashboard spreadsheet. Our Savings Dashboard spreadsheet contains a total of 4 tabs. The first tab is the Read Me tab. On this tab, you'll find a link to this instruction guide in the video you're watching right now, as well as a link to our Google Tips and Tricks section, our general help desk where you find answers to our FAQs, as well as a button on how to contact us. Below you'll find some quick instructions, and if you scroll further down, you'll find a little bit more information regarding the spreadsheet. On here, you will also be able to find the spreadsheet version. We regularly update our spreadsheets based on feedback that is provided to us. And when we do, we make sure to place an update in the bottom of this instruction guide that you're on right now. So right below the video, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see our change log. Every time we make an update, we'll make sure to give it a new version name so you can easily see if you're using the most up-to-date version. If at any point you're not using the most up-to-date version and you would like to access the new updates, all you have to do is click on this new template button. Then simply click on the link and you'll be able to open and access the most up-to-date version of the spreadsheet. Please note that at any point in time, let's say your spreadsheet has stopped working because, for example, you've altered formulas or you would just like to start from scratch, you can also click on this new template button to just start a brand new template. Now let's head over to our Start tab so we can start with setting up our spreadsheet. Information that you enter on the Start tab will translate into all other tabs. So basically you enter information here first before entering information into all the other tabs. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is change your currency if you need to change the currency. So the spreadsheet is standard set to the $sign, but if you would like to change this, all you have to do is double click on this field. Hit the backspace button on your keyboard to remove the $sign and then type in a currency sign or abbreviation of your own. For example, if you would type in the euro here, you immediately see that it will update everywhere else. Now the next thing you can do is add your savings and sinking funds. In total, you can add up a total of 40 different savings and sinking funds. And for each savings and sinking funds, what you're going to want to do is enter in a name. So let's say, for example, you're saving for a car and a house as well as for the holiday season. Now, once you've entered in these names, what you can do is enter in a goal amount if you have a goal amount. Because, for example, certain ongoing funds, for example, like annual bills might not have a goal amount. And what you can do next is enter a start amount if you've already set some money aside for it. And then if you'd like, optional, of course, is a start date and a goal date. So let's say, for example, we would like to save for a car and it will be $5,000 that we need. And we currently have $1,500 saved. And we would like to start saving the 1st of December and we would like to reach that savings. Oh, that would be 2023. We're still in 2023. And we would like to reach that savings by, let's say, May 2024. Now we know that based on our goal amounts, how much we've already saved and how long we have to save for that, we would need to save $205.88 each month to reach that goal. Now all information here is completely optional. So if, for example, for your wedding, you just have a goal for $15,000 for the future, but you don't have a start amount, so you don't have anything saved yet, and you don't have a goal date because you just would like to contribute as you go, you can just leave this completely empty and no monthly amount will be calculated for you. It will just be considered an ongoing fund in that way. So once you've entered information here, if we go over to our savings dashboard, we can see that all of our information has been entered here for us. So on the top here, we will be able to see all of our funds that we've set up. So for example, if we look at car, we can now see our goal date is the 1st of May 2025. We would like to save $5,000. We have started with $1,500. We don't have anything saved at this moment yet, besides the start amount that we had. We have $3,500 left to save, and based on how long we have, it will still take us $205.88 each month to reach that amount. Now you can see this information for every single savings and sinking funds you've entered. And if you have not entered a goal date, it will just be considered an ongoing fund. So then instead of a goal date, it will just be showing ongoing here. It will also not be showing any months left as you have not set any goal date basically. Now all you have to do is to keep track of your savings and sinking funds is enter transactions in your log. So both contributions and withdrawals, you can just add to the log. So let's say it is the 1st of December 2023. You can also click on these fields and a little calendar will pop up. And you've saved $100 towards that car. Now when we go to that savings, we can see that now we've saved that $100 and this information has been updated for us. Now, at any point, if you need to withdraw money from that savings or sinking fund, so let's say it was the 2nd December and you actually needed some of that money, what you can do is log a negative transaction. So a negative transaction will be a withdrawal. So now if we enter that for car over here, we can see that now in total we've only saved $50 if we've taken $50 out again. So basically you just enter contributions and your withdrawals, and in your dashboard you'll be able to see exactly for each and every single saving fund how you're doing. Now we have added the option to show both balances or percentages, so you can set your dashboard to whatever you prefer to view. So if you would change this to percentage here, you can see how close you are to your goal. So at this moment you've saved 31% of your goal amount. Now we've also added the balance below here to show, as when you're using this on a tablet or a mobile device or using the Google Sheets app, the graphs will have a white background instead of a transparent background, so the balances would not be visible. So for this reason, we've made sure to add this below here, so you will always be able to see your total balance here. On the top, you'll also be able to see your total goal, how much you started with, how much you've saved in total, so that's your start amount plus what you've entered in your log, and how much there's still left to save. And that is basically how our savings dashboard works. If you have any other questions, be sure to send us a message. There's some contact information on the README tab. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.